Good evening, guys. Currently, it's around 9:30. Coming to Bank Nifty analysis, you can see as I already posted you about this trade, the analysis, and I have posted you the live trade where I have taken long position away. You can see clearly this kind of momentum towards the downside. There was not huge premium move towards the downside, and the market rallied up, clearly signifying the bullish momentum over here. And if you try to mark the common point between this and the common point between this and the common point between this, you can see the market tallied all the way to 1.68 level or the midway between this as well. It came almost to this level, or if you consider this zone, you can see here this fair value gap. The market took out this fair value gap, the last down move before the up move, and the market reached all the way here as well. And in case if you might have targeted, you could have easily targeted the 1.68 level. And if you try to place the days way up level, you can see clearly the market clearly broke with a huge impulsive move towards the upside, clearly signifying buying momentum. And if you try to plot the fib levels here, you can mark the 550 level here. This is the 550. And if you try to mark the PDRA over here, you can clearly see this zone here. This is the PDRA, and price exactly took support from this PDRA. And other confluence is this anchor VWAP level over here. You can see clearly the market, after this bearish breakdown of this anchor VWAP, the market tried to cover with this another bullish momentum. And you can see even the market after breaking also huge rejection of this candle as well as bullish momentum towards the upside, clearly signifying buy side. And you could have targeted all the way to this level, guys, 1.68 level, keeping your stop loss just below this candle and targeting all the way to this zone. And you can see this candle looks like the final sell-off candle. You can see even after this bullish momentum, there is much buying happening here, clearly signifying final sell-off candles, trapping all the buyers. And after this, the market readily came down all the way here, and you can see the market broke this structure, this breakout structure, and the market retraced back. But these three candles which broke this structure towards the downside has been with the fair value gap. You can see the market, this is the fair value gap. The market took this liquidity, again broke structure towards the downside. This is another breakout structure towards the downside, and you can see this three candles which broke this low, another fair value gap over here. And you can see the market rallied all the way up to this level. You can see this kind of rally, the retracement and final sell-off kind of candle. And you can see after this final momentum, the market went all the way here to the pivot level over here, and the market again rallied upwards, clearly signifying bullishness. You can see clearly here the market broke this sub formation, breaking structure towards the upside. And you could have, after this bullish momentum and after this piercing candle, if this piercing candle was more than half, if a bullish candle like this appears and if the price closes below this zone, you can easily take short position, keeping your stop loss above this zone, guys. Because after this consolidation, right, you can see clearly when the market clearly broke this and the market retraced back, and you can see clearly the common point between here as well as the common point here. You can see the market took support from this 550 level and broke towards the upside. So if you try to plot the fib extension levels, the common point between this, the common point between this, you can see the market went all the way to 100% level here. This is the 100% level. And if you try to see after the market reached exactly at the 100% level, you can see reversal. And in case if the market closed below this zone, you could have easily taken short position here when it closed more than half or this candle, by keeping your stop loss just above this candle or all the way here also. And you could have targeted your liquidity here or this liquidity, but here you can see the market went all the way to this low. In case if you have trialed your stop loss, or in case if you have followed the moving average, let's put on to moving averages confluence, you can see here this upward momentum didn't cross this 21 moving average, and the price faced rejection here with this bearish candle covering more than half of the previous bullish candle. And you can see after this bearish cover, you can clearly expect the market to go down, and here the market went all the way down. And in case if you want to find out the common point, the here the fib extinction levels, the common point between this, the common point between this, and the common point between this, the market you could have targeted the 100% level or the midway between the 100 as well as 1.68 level as the price took support here, or you could have just tried your stop losses, guys. And this momentum is quite unexpected since the market overall sentiment is being bullish. The market had to reverse. This is just to trap all those buyers who might have entered here. This momentum, you can see this trendline liquidity over here, all the way here. Price taking multiple support zones here. Here it took support, here it took support, and here it took support, and here it broke structure towards the downside after this final sell-off candle. And you could, after breaking the structure, you could have entered short position as well and targeting to this any of these lows, any of these swings, or if you could have holded on to your position, you could have targeted, you could have made a profit, huge profit, all the way till here. And after the retracement towards the upside, you can see the market formed stock here. So, and if you try to plot the fib extinction levels here, the common point, the swing high levels from here to here, you can see clearly that here is the fib 50 level, and this is the fib 50, and we can see clearly the market forming some sort of rounding bottom kind of pattern, and clearly you can see the market forms some sort of rounding bottom, and this bearishness also isn't very strong, guys, because you can see clearly there is no much strong bearish pressure over here after this bullish momentum. You can see after this bullish momentum there isn't that much strong bearishness in this market, as you can see the market clearly consolidating towards the downside and trying to take support from this 50 level. And as you can see, the market here clearly broke the structure towards the upside. This is the chalk, and if you try to plot the fib levels, the common point between this, or you can mark as, since both are black, you can see clearly the market trying to take support from this level. This is the 50 level, and you can see clearly this is the 50, and so as well as 200 moving average support as well. And if you try to place the anchor way up level here, the low of this candle, or this low, or let's consider this low, guys, since if we can see, you can see clearly somewhere between this zone the market is trying to take support here. You can see clearly this, after this bearish break of this candle towards the downside, following another bullish candle, and this close below this candle following another bullish candle, clearly signifying bullishness in the market. And you can see clearly, if you try to plot the fib extinction levels, the common point between this, the common point between this, and the common point between this, you can easily target the 100% level or the 1.68 level. Look at this guy, the market came all the way to 1.68 level here, and here you could have targeted the 100% level as well. This is the 100% move, and if you consider this bullishness over here, the low to this high, you can see price taking support at fib 50 level over here. You can see clearly this is another support zone over here. This is the fib 50 level, and as well as the 100 moving average support as well. The green color line over here is 100 moving average support, as after this impulsive candle, price halted at this 100 moving average support and tried to rally upwards, and clearly you can see the market clearly broke structure towards the upside, clearly signifying bullishness over here. And if you consider this swing also, you could have taken support from this common point and this 50 level active support and reached all the way to 1.68 level, and you can see clearly the market targeted to 1.68 level, and this consolidation where all the moving averages are in confluence here, clearly signifying bullishness here. And this is the Bank Nifty analysis, guys. You can see clearly how well the price action has been followed. Here you could have taken long position just here, keeping your stop loss just below this candle and targeting all the way to 1.68 level over here, and this also you could have targeted, but this was quite unexpected. But after this piercing candle also, there could be high chances, if you have kept your stop loss very tight to below this candle to target this high also, there would have been good probability towards the buy side as well. But this was a very good trade, guys, as I have posted you live on my channel. This is about Bank Nifty. Now coming to Nifty, let's see how Nifty has moved. And in Nifty, if you see, guys, in Nifty, if you see, you can see yesterday the market hugely fell from here. This was yesterday's, guys. This is from today. and this is the mid of the today's candle, you can see clearly. But here you can see this was an order block. This is the 1 minute order block of yesterday's, where the market, the last up move before the down move, you can consider this to be a order block as well. You can see clearly today the market gapped up, took support from the pivot level. In both Nifty and Bank Nifty also, the market gapped up, rallied towards the downside, took support from pivot level, and yesterday's close also. You can see clearly the market, today's pivot level and yesterday's close also is on the same level. So here you can see a strong confluence of yesterday's close and as well as pivot, and the market clearly broke the structure towards the upside. Right? This swing structure has been broken, clearly signifying bullishness. And if you try to plot the anchor gap level here, you can see clearly after this breaking of structure, the market retraced, took support from this anchor gap level. This is a daily gap level, guys. If you try to plot the swing structure, the common point between this and common point between this, you can see the market taking support from here, guys, 0.38 level, or the market tried to reach here or took support from the pivot level as well, from the base gap level. This is a 0.38 level, guys. You can see clearly the market took support here even after this break of this candle, followed by another bullish piercing candle, and the market couldn't close. But even if it closed also, it didn't close below this anchor daily gap level. So if you try to plot the Fib extension levels, the common point between this, the common point between this and the common point between this, you can see clearly the market went all the way to 100% level here. Could have targeted this level. This is the 100% move, and this is the 1.68 level, or you could have targeted this order block as well. You can see clearly the market here sort of mitigating with some kind after this bullish momentum, and you could have targeted here as well. So you could have just holded your position here, keeping your stop loss just below here and targeting all the way to this order block level. And you can see after this bullish momentum, there was consolidation in price towards the downside. You could have exited here. This would have been your trade, guys, because you can see here this order block where there is a fair value gap over here. There are high chances the market would respect that order block. And you can see after this rejection of price from this order block, the market came all the way. Again, took support from this pivot level here. And in both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty also, the market came down, took support from this pivot level and tried to head higher. And you can see if you try to plot the Fib levels from here, the common point between this and this, you can see the market is very bullish because it didn't even retrace to this 0.38 level as well, clearly signifying there is a lot of bullishness in the market. So there are very high chances the market will continue further buying pressure, and the market neither came to this level. As you can see, this consolidation is where the market took support here. This consolidation is where the market took support and tried to rally upwards. The price action in Nifty is quite complicated, guys. We can't exactly tell how prices will be respected in Nifty. So if you try to use the smart money concept here, if you get confused, you can see clearly here, though there is no clear order block formation. You can see this order block has been taken out, and these are internal break-off structures, guys. You can see here there is clear bullish break-off structure towards the upside. But if you try to plot this order block level over here, the last down move candle, you can see clearly the market broke here but couldn't sustain and continue further buying also. So this order block also has been mitigated, but you can see this order block, guys, the last down move before the up move, and the price again retraced back here. So to consider this order block to be valid, as I have told you, when the market rallies upwards with a fair value gap, like here you can see a fair value gap there, for this order block to be respected, the market should retrace like this. Like this is how the market need to retrace. Only then there is high chance that this order block would be respected. And you can see clearly how the market here rallied towards the downside with not such impulsive momentum, but just with up and down movement with no strong impulsive momentum towards the downside. And you can see after this order block, after this bearish candle, clearly signifying bearishness, you can see followed by another piercing candle towards the upside and another closing above this high of this candle, clearly indicating bullishness in this market. So if you try to plot the Fib levels, the common point between this, you can see price trying to take support from this 50 level over here. This is where the market tried to take support. And if you try to plot the Fib extension level, the common point between this, the common point between this, and here as well, you can see the market went all the way to 100% level here. This is the 100% target. You could have easily targeted this level, or you could have gone all the way to the 1.68 level. You can see clearly the market came all the way here as well. This is how you could have targeted your positions. Could ask me like why even this swing order block is also strong, and the market would have come took this fair value gap also. But you can see here. Don't know, guys. After this bearishness candle, right? There should be huge downward momentum, but it didn't happen. If this order block would have been, this fair value gap would have been taken, there are high chances the market would continue after this bearish candle. But this piercing candle and close above this previous bearish candle is where our sentiment has to be kept in mind. So if you consider this zone, you can see here also the market is forming some sort of support. So let's take this out. Excuse me, guys. In Nifty, the price action you can't actually clearly show the price action in Nifty, guys, because as like Bank Nifty, but here and there you can expect a good price action in Nifty, but not always you can't expect a good price action in Nifty. So it's better that you trade in confluence with Bank Nifty to see whether the Bank Nifty also has a confluence with Nifty. Only then you can take Nifty's position. Or else if Bank Nifty also is in confluence with Nifty, then you can consider in confluence with Bank Nifty taking trades in confluence with Nifty 50, you can take trades in Bank Nifty as well. If there is any clear break of structure in both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, or any clear support in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So you can see here in Nifty there is this order block has not yet been mitigated. So in case if the market gaps up above this zone, there could be further continuation of buy side momentum. So if close above this order block level, there is high chances that the market will continue further high. But if the market closes flat over here and the market in case gap down also, or if the market kind of retrace like that towards the order block, there is high chance that the market would continue further selling. But if the market gap downs and there is a huge bullish momentums with no with proper impulsive candles, there are high chances that this kind of order block also will be broken towards the upside. But what I'm expecting is that there are high chances the market would gap up, guys, because there is you can't say there is no good buyers over this also. You can't expect good buying pressure over here to target all those buyers also. So in case if the market tries to target all those buyers, the market will open gap down midway between this, try to take support midway between this swing structure. You can see the swing structure here to here. And so let's see, guys. I will tell you tomorrow's confluence also. Let's try to plot the central pivot range of tomorrow. You can see tomorrow is a wide pivot range. Here you see this is narrow pivot range. You can expect good movements on narrow pivot range. And you can see this is the wide pivot range. That's why the next day became a swing structure, like market trying to take move sideways. So tomorrow we can expect sideways market, guys, because you can see because of this wide pivot range. So if you consider this to be pivot, there might be chances the market would continue take support from this zone, or the market might trade between this zone, guys, that zone above or the zone above. Between these zones, there are high chances the market would continue like this or something like this only, guys. This is how tomorrow I'm expecting. I don't think you'll find good opportunities in buying as well as selling side, so be careful for tomorrow, guys, since tomorrow is all expiry day in Nifty, Bank Nifty, as well as other expiries also is there. So it's better to be careful for tomorrow for those people who are trading on huge quantities. Because of this wide pivot range, there is high chance that the market would go sideways. I hope my knowledge is helpful, guys. So try to follow me. If you like it, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel, guys. Please support me as well. Thank you, guys.